Pre-construction allows the owner to somewhat have that crystal ball that everybody wants to have and look out into the future of, are we on track to deliver the vision and goals that we as an owner or our end users want? So for Lawrence Memorial, they were looking for a team that would complement their expertise in healthcare and bring that forth in design and construction.
Where we came in and helped them through that whole process is understanding the value and the cost, whether it's an initial cost, a life cycle cost. We really just helped them evaluate, what their options are, what they can do now, and how they can plan for the future. How can we set up this building that makes sense and create flexibility of the space so that it can, adapt to any modality of service lines within their healthcare delivery operations. What was unique about this job is that we also included all of the medical equipment planning for the project. Ultimately, it's a much more coordinated effort along the entire process of design and construction and the final installation.
Having the level of expertise that the collaborative pre-construction, bringing the design, marrying them with the contractor early on, affords them that opportunity to ask great questions, for us to listen and provide dialogue, to make them the most educated owner out there in order to make the best decisions for their project.